Here is how to select your filing status in TurboTax, step by step. Begin by signing in to your TurboTax account and opening the tax return you want to work on. Once the return is open, go to the My Info section. This is where TurboTax starts gathering the personal and household details it needs to determine how your return should be filed. If your return takes a moment to load, wait until the section is fully visible before moving ahead. In My Info, look for the area labeled About Your Household. This section includes the marital status question. Select the option that matches your status as of December 30, first of the tax year. TurboTax bases filing status on your situation at the end of that year, so that date is the one that matters when you make your choice. The available options include single, married, in a registered domestic partnership or civil union, divorced, legally separated, and widowed. Choose the one that applies to you. Make sure the selection matches your legal status for that tax year before continuing, since TurboTax uses this answer to guide the rest of the filing status questions. Next, indicate whether you have dependents. If you do, select Yes. After that, use the drop-down menu to choose how many dependents you have. If you do not have any dependents, select No and leave that section as is. This part helps TurboTax understand your household setup and determine which filing status options may apply to your return. Once your marital status and dependent information are entered, click Continue. TurboTax will use the answers you provided to evaluate your eligible filing status. Depending on your situation, you may see additional questions related to your household. These prompts are part of the normal interview flow and are used to narrow down the filing status that fits your return. Continue through the remaining interview by answering each follow-up question TurboTax asks about your household. Read each prompt carefully and select the response that matches your circumstances. The questions can vary based on the marital status and dependent details you entered, so your screen may not look exactly the same as someone else's. What matters is that you move through the interview using your own household information. As you continue, TurboTax will keep applying your answers in the background and guide you to the filing status you are eligible to use for that return. Stay within the interview until those household questions are complete. Then proceed with the rest of your tax return from there. Your filing status has now been selected in TurboTax based on your household information.